this is the last one too.
Yeah.
They always send out the big kaboom at the end.
Say about that.
That's awesome. I think that's it.
I can hear people.
So, baby, what do you think?
That was awesome.
It was awesome.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Hey guys, I'm just sitting in Sand Springs. We were just driving to Walmart and we saw this spectacular fireworks show. I guess Case Center, Community Center have been open tonight, so they've been down for how long, babe? The Case Center has been down for, the park has been down?
It's been under construction for quite a while, and I think it just opened tonight.
Yeah, so I think they've been down for at least a couple, at least a month or two.
Yeah.
But no, I just want to let you guys know that there's fireworks going on. So I'll make some more videos later on this week. I am sorry I haven't posted anything new since the day at the zoo. But I'll keep you guys I'll keep you guys posted, and you guys see what's going on. So hope you guys have a good night, and see you later.
Bye.
Bye.